students. Today I am here with new topic of English grammar, articles. There are two types of articles, indefinite articles and definite articles. Indefinite articles are to, a or an. Definite article is the. Today I will explain you indefinite articles a or an, where you use article a and where you use article an. So let's begin with article a. Use of article a. The rules, there are certain rules to using these. First rule is before the nouns begin with consonant sound, we use article a with consonant sound. As we all know that there are 26 letters in English alphabet. 5 are vowels: a, e, I, o, u. These are 5 vowels and rest of the letters are consonants. So we use article a with consonant sound. See this example: basket. Basket is a word which begins with B consonant. So we use article a. Another example is pen. P is consonant, so we use article a. Leaf, in leaf L is consonant, so use article a. Duster, in this duster D is consonant, so use article a. Another rule, before vowels with U sound, उन वॉबल्स के साथ जो यू का साउंड देते हैं वहां पर भी हम आर्टिकल ए लगाते हैं. सी दिस एग्जाम्पल: यूजफुल, पेन. यूजफुल word begins with u and u is consonant but it has the sound of u here, so we use article a. Another example is European. In this word European, European starts with e. E is vowel but it has the sound of u, so we use article a. Another, university. In university, u has the sound of this u. It is vowel but it has the sound of u, so use article a. Another rule, before words begin with o letter that has a v sound. v sound, ऐसे word जो ओ से शुरू, ऐसे नाउंस जो ओ से शुरू हो रहे हैं लेकिन वो ओ का साउंड ना देके किसका साउंड दे रहे हैं, व का, सो वी यूज आर्टिकल ए. सी दिस एग्जांपल: 1 rupee note, 1 way road. In both the examples, one begins with o but it gives the sound of wa, so we use article a in both the examples. Now let's move to article an, where we use article an. We use article an before the nouns begin with vowel sound. जितने भी ये vowels हैं, अगर इनसे कोई noun start हो रहा है तो वहां पर हम article an लगाते हैं. See this example: owl. Owl begins with o and o is vowel, so we use article an. Ant. Ant, a is here, so we use article an. Next rule is before words begin with silent h. जिन शब्दों में, जिन nouns में h साइलेंट होता है वहां पर भी हम आर्टिकल an लगाते हैं. hour. hour की स्पेलिंग क्या है, HOUR. हम हावर नहीं बोलते, हम क्या बोलते हैं, आर. h is silent here, so we use article an. Another example is honest man. In this honest h is silent, so use article an. Next, honorable minister. In honorable h is silent again, so we use article an. So these are the rules of using article a or an. Definite article the I will explain you